Good morning, Cedar Point. We're here, CoasterMania. Got our swag. Got my lanyard. I'm ready to rock. Let's get our rides on. Woo! Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, look, coffee. We're in line for some coffee. Yes. Grab and go snacks. First ride of the day, the one, the only Millennium Force. We've entered the Temple of the Force. Vlog Wars. Alright folks, Millennium Force was magnificent as always. I think we're going to Valraven because we feel like diving right into some fun. So I didn't get a chance to tell you guys, Valraven was amazing. We just took a break outside, and then we're going to meet back up with Tony, Sandy, and Jeremy, and I think we're headed to Gatekeeper. Awesome. Love my lanyard. And as promised, we are over here at Gatekeeper, about to get our flight on at CoasterMania 2021. Awesome job, CP. Love you. The keeper of the gates. Oh, yeah. Well, Gatekeeper was awesome as usual. Flying through the keyhole as always. Loved it. All clear and out of here. Oh my gosh. Hi. Thank you. We're here at Iron Dragon. Woo! Classic. Yes, I got that on video. Excuse me.
You can use it, that's fine.
Excuse me, vlogger. So we just got off of hanging on Iron Dragon.
So you were just hanging out on Iron Dragon.
Classic, love it. He has 2 lift hills, so you know it's awesome.
Which I realized the first half, the dragon is looking for its prey, so he's kind of just flying around looking for his prey. The second half was a lot faster, which means that he found his prey, he's after his prey, he's going right to his prey. So I realized the second half is faster than the first half.
The hunt is on.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you. Tony the Rican is gonna go blue streaking.
Blue streaking. I'm gonna go do some streaking in blue.
Look who I met.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast. Are you having a blast?
Yes, but I'm hungry now.
Hungry?
Yeah.
I'm starving.
How long till lunch?
The oatmeal bars don't last long enough. We still have an hour and a half till lunch.
I don't know. I think we're gonna have to raid our fridge somewhere. Well, you have a great day.
You too.
Welcome back to 2. How are you? Amazing.
We had a phenomenal ride on Blue Streak. So you could say we were freaking and streaking. Yeah, baby, there it is, 1870. Anyway, we're gonna continue on with this adventure. So stick around. Yes, stick around. So we're having the best time ever, and a place like no other. We're headed over the pavilion because we got a few minutes before our lunch time, which is 11 to 12:30, and then so we'll see you over there. Not sure if you guys have seen Coaster Guy 101's new car. There it is. Awesome. Planet Snoopy. Woo! This is the queue line for lunch, but we're not eating at Mel. Actually, it's up there. So me and Sandy were thinking, wow, it would have been awesome if Snake River Expedition was on the ERT. Hint, hint, maybe next year?
Yeah. Working it, baby.
See, little Cedar Point, 150 years.
By the way, this young lady, Natasha's awesome.
Hello. Pleasure to meet you.
She always makes my day whenever I see her, so.
Awesome.
Talking to somebody yesterday, I said mac and cheese will probably be part of your lunch today.
Yeah,
Guess
you got
what?
your mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese is part of your lunch today.
We got mac and cheese, there's Sloppy Joe's, and I got some fried chicken. Show you Sloppy Joe. And just like that, we are back in the park. Mr. Shields to you style. We took a break, and now we're headed to, I believe, Maverick, because we have a behind-the-scenes tour. And I haven't been in Frontier Town since last year, so I'm excited. Hello, Gemini. Right there is the new entrance to Snake River Expedition.
You really did it. You are so strong. Like, I can't wait to do that.
Maverick. So we're in the line for the behind the scenes tour. And welcome to Frontier Festival. So guys, this is just too awesome. Just so you know, this is usually just used for during Halloween. This is where you walk through and the scare actors get you, but actually today it's for us to see. We can actually get shots of Maverick behind the scenes. So everybody, that Maverick behind the scenes tour was amazing, but here's something else we got that's amazing. Here's the bunnies. Hi. What are you doing, huh? Hello. Hi. Yep. A little bit. Hello. So So today they gave us an opportunity to participate in a scavenger hunt. And you download this app and it gives you these clues where you should go looking for a QR code to scan. And then you have to answer a trivia question. Is it on every single one?
Yes, every single one you scan the QR code. And if you scanned the correct QR code, then it unlocks a trivia question.
So I did one and got the question right, but I haven't kept up on it, but it's ended now. But Sandy did really well, 20-something.
Out of 20, I got 19 correct.
Awesome, wow. So there you have it, folks. So a change, had dinner, now we're back. We're getting our extended ride times on Magnum XL. Woo! Yes, Magnum was Magnalicious. Woo! And my friend Todd from California was here and he rode in our train with his friends. So it's me, Sandy, Tony, and Tony. Woo! What a view. Love it. So everybody, we are at Gemini.
Enjoy your ride on Gemini.
We're gonna do the blue, I think Tony and all them are going on the red train. And our friend Todd. So we'll see what happens.
Welcome back. How was that ride?
Gemini was phenomenal. But we were the blue train. Everybody else went on the red train and they won. Welcome back, riders. How was that ride?
I don't know because I lost my mind.
Sorry.
My mind.
We did. Oh.
So we've entered the queue for Maverick. Woo! So folks, Steel Vengeance, Maverick, Magnum, Gemini, phenomenal ERTs for us, and we loved it. Thank you, Cedar Point. We're going to call it and take the night off and have some fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed CoasterMania 2021. We sure did. Have a good one, guys. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you. Bye!